Puchero. Stew. A main dish from Philippines. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Boil beef in a big pot with just enough water to cover meat. Let simmer until beef is tender, about 2 hours. Step 2. Remove beef from pot. Boil broth and add potatoes. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Add green beans and cabbage. Let simmer for 5 minutes. Step 3. In a separate smaller pot, sauté garlic and onion in hot oil. Add beef and tomato sauce. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of the broth and bring to a boil. Add the chickpeas. Step 4. Let simmer
Place
for
the
5
beef in a
minutes.
deep
Serving dish. Arrange the vegetables around the meat. Garnish with the chorizo slices. Pour the tomato sauce broth over the entire dish and serve with hot rice. Step 5. Eggplant salad complements this nicely. Serve it as a side dish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.